Welcome to the Rocwood YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the electric blow vac. This product features wheels to be able to push it along when vacuuming up or when carrying along, as it's not the lightest. It also features an on-off switch, this little dial on the side can control what speed the air comes out at, along with the switch on the side can control whether you're blowing or sucking up leaves. It also comes with a shoulder strap. Do you have to hold it when vacuuming for a long time? It just hooks onto the top. Here it is demonstrated. It also comes with a 40-litre bag that clicks onto the bottom. It just clicks onto the bottom like this, and then there's also some tabs that can be hooked onto the edge of the side. Here's all the parts included in the blow vac. We've got two tubes, one of the outer ones and a smaller one, along with some screws. An instruction manual is also provided, and some extra details and safety warnings are also provided on the second pipe. Here's the main base of the blow vac. You can see the fan in the centre if you look down it, along with the 10-metre cable. The wheels added on afterwards. And finally, here is a closer-up look of the bag. With suction speed of 12 meters cubed per min, you can easily blow to clear debris from surfaces like driveways, decking, porches and garages. It's very easy to switch between the vacuuming or sucking up by just a twist of this handle. There are arrows on the side of the plastic to be able to let you know which one it is on. This blow vac has an impressive airspeed of 250 km per hour. And as you can see, you can change this knob on the side, so you get the full maximum 250 km an hour airspeed. Here are the specifications for the electric blow vac. The model is RWACBV1. The voltage is 230 volts, 240 volts and 50 Hz. The rated power is 3000 watts. The shredding rate is 10:1. The airspeed is 250 km an hour. The suction volume is 12 meters cubed to min. The no-low speed is 10,000 to 14,000 RPM. It does have a speed controller. Its collection bag is 40 litres, the cable length is 10 meters and the weight is 4 kilograms. It's a lightweight and ergonomic design, making transportation, storage and use a breeze, meaning you can spend less time working and more time relaxing in your newly organised and clean space.